Hey everybody, it's Diane again with Diane's Wreaths Florals. We're getting ready to do our second class to kind of just show you the setup. It's pretty much the same things we did last time, a little different, but it's pretty much the same thing. So let's look at it. Here you go. Okay, so I'm walking in. This is our beautiful clubhouse here at Club Largo, Hacienda del Rio. And this is our setup. Again, we're still using the white coastal plates, the same theme, coastal theme, all throughout with the fish and all of the things, which is really, really stinking cute. Okay, so we've got all our placemats ready. Over here, we're gonna go back over here again, and again, we put down the paper, and this is when the ladies get done with each one of their projects, they have a place to put them. So all of their names are on here, so they have a place to put their finished products, so they're not in the way whenever they're doing the next class. Over here, this is our setup over here. And so we got all the hot glue guns going. We've got our clippers, our scissors. We've got all the things. We've got our menu, the plans of the day, our kits. Everything is all ready to go. So we have that. Over here is where I'm going to teach. I'll teach the class right here. We've got some extra supplies if needed, type of things here. Then when we go over here, the food is not here yet, neither is the drinks. So we're gonna have some tea and water over here. We also are gonna have some coffee station here. We're gonna have, right here is where we kind of decorated this a little bit. This is gonna be for our food display here. And now I'll show you the first project. The first project is this beautiful wreath. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love this wreath. I love all the detail about it. So we're gonna be doing this in class, y'all. We are going to be doing this in class. So see, they get to pick a piece of driftwood to put on their wreath if they want a piece of driftwood. They don't have to have it, but they will. And then it's going to be a driftwood arrangement. So they get to pick a piece of driftwood. Every one of these will be completely different. And then we're going to do this cute little frame that we're going to do that they can actually decorate with a starfish or whatever they want to decorate with. So we have that. And then when you come over here, we have, here's some of the driftwood that they can pick to put on their wreaths. Then this bin here is for the next, kind of got organized, so I've got it where we go into the next thing. And this would be the driftwood in there they get to pick for their arrangements. This is the last of the driftwood I have, so there probably won't be another one of these kind of classes. So this is the last one. Also too, we've got our bow, our little bow boxes for our bow game, and our mystery bag. So everybody gets to pick a mystery bag, which is really, really fun. But I just want to kind of just give you an idea of what's going on here. And we have so much fun, y'all. And I will be taking some videos as we're playing around today and getting some things done. But this is before everybody gets here. I will take another video of the food too. So, okay, I just wanted to share that with you and just kind of let you know what's behind the scenes here and how everything looks. And I wanted to show you our beautiful clubhouse, and this is where we have our classes. And I would love for you to join us. I'm going to keep videoing and sending you some more pictures and some videos as the day goes out. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.